My name's Emma and I'm a representative at EcoTech Windows and Doors. We're here today on site visiting one of our customers for their installation. So come on, let's go check it out inside. Right here we have one of our double casement windows currently installed. This is one of our highest rated windows. We are Energy Star rated, also NAFS 11. Security is also a huge thing for us at EcoTech. We do a multi-point lock, which is operated by a single latch. These windows will also open full 90 degrees, so you have a range of breeze coming in. Also too, it's easy cleaning. We do have one of our single back doors here as well. These are also Energy Star rated, so you know you're getting high efficiency when it comes to doors as well. We do always use a spray foam insulation that goes in between the framing of the door and the stud as well. We'll cover this up with a trim. We have many different designs, colonial or flat. And then at the end here, we also have a double hung window, also Energy Star rated. They do have automatic locks, and we can make your project come to life as well if you want to give us a call or visit us at ecotechwindows.ca.